Shwasti ma'am, you may please start.
Yeah. Okay, a very good morning to all. It's been a wonderful week-long journey that we've had together. And with so many participants, we have learned so much. So on behalf of MES's Pillai College of Education and Research in Chembur, Mumbai, and I am Assistant Professor Swasti Dhar, and I'm honored to welcome all of you to the valedictory session. This collaboration between Titus Second College in Tiruvalla and MES Pillai College of Education and Research in Mumbai will be remembered by all of us as we could surmount the borders during this pandemic and reach out to each other and prepare for the days to come. So thanks are due to Dr. Anita Mathai, Principal of Titus Second College, Tiruvalla, and Dr. Rennie Francis, Principal of MES's Pillai College of Education and Research, Mumbai, for taking up this project. A very big thanks to the two coordinators, Dr. Sunila Thomas and Dr. Surama Mathai, for this wonderful initiative. And in Mr. Nasir Ali, sir, fantastic. We've had a mentor who's knowledgeable, resourceful, patient, and kind. So in the last week, he has taken us from the basics to the advanced in online teaching. And as he has told us today, this learning will continue. So we are very grateful for that. So, and this would not have been possible without all the participants who have joined in and learned so much. So thank you to everybody. And with this, I hand over the proceedings to Dr. Sunila to take the valedictory session forward.
Suramya ma'am?
Yes, hello.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Good morning all. I am here to present a brief report of the one-week national level workshop on digital teaching for smart learning organized by Titus Second Teachers College, Tiruvalla, Kerala and MES Pillai College of Education and Research, Mumbai. The workshop was inaugurated on 27th April 2020 at 9:30 a.m. by Dr. Anita Mathai, Principal of Titus Second Teachers College, Tiruvalla. Dr. Sunila Thomas, coordinator of the workshop, welcomed the participants. The introductory remarks were given by Dr. Rennie Francis, Principal of MES Pillai College of Education and Research, Mumbai. Nazir Ali MK, Assistant Professor of Aligarh Muslim University, Malappuram Center, Kerala, served as the resource person of the workshop. 260 participants from different states of India joined the workshop, and one participant had joined from Sydney, Australia. Dr. Suramya Mathai, coordinator of the workshop, delivered the vote of thanks for the inaugural session. The workshop was organized for 6 days from April 27 to 2nd May 2020 from 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Each day was a new experience for the participants as the workshop had provided real hands-on experience on the latest technological tools and applications for enhancing teaching learning process. The workshop covered topics like creating and working on documents online, online tests, virtual classrooms, information publishing, interactive classrooms, video presentations, and the content development. And today is the last day of the workshop and the valedictory session is going on. As the organizer of this workshop, we are sure that the workshop was highly relevant, fruitful, and motivating with its vibrant resource person and enthusiastic participants. Hope we will remain technologically equipped and empowered, and we wish you all good luck and many more blessed years of lifelong learning and teaching. Thank you.
Thank you ma'am. Now we'll move to principal's remarks.
Good morning, everybody. In the past 1 week, we experienced an overwhelming response from Pan India and abroad in a maiden venture of ours in trying to reach out and explore fresher avenues in the methods of teaching. Online mode of education was felt to be a commercial venture. This turned out to be a myth. Truly, it gave us an insight into the strength of technology if used to its potential. I owe the success of this effort to the willing participation of our sister institution, the MES Pillai's College of Education and Research, Mumbai, in collaborating with us in this venture. I'm grateful to the dynamic coordinators from Titus Second Teachers College, Tiruvalla, Dr. Sunila Thomas and Dr. Suramya Mathai, who made a dream come true. Well done. The pillar of strength in this mega success, as you all would have realized, was our resource person, Mr. Nasir Ali MK. His unwavering faith in his God-given talent and his meticulous work instilled confidence in us as well as in the participants, and took us well past the finish line in all its glory. Thank you, sir, from the bottom of our hearts. It was truly a well-integrated effort which has delivered much beyond our expectations and, more importantly, instilled in all of us a confidence to include the e-learning platform as an integral part of our methods. No words can put across my feelings to aptly define the experience. I also express my gratitude to the grand response of 226 participants who were the catalysts of the success of this maiden effort. We at Titus Second Teachers College, Tiruvalla, Kerala, are confident that this hand-holding by the team of institutions, coordinators, and participants will go a long way in helping us achieve our mission in the field of education. This is only the start. We will fine-tune the processes based on our mutual experiences and make this platform of outreach a grand success. A baby step we have taken, and we have miles to go before we sleep. Once again, I thank all the participants, the organizers, and the resource person in their sincere efforts amidst this pandemic and instilling faith and confidence in our abilities to be together even if forces keep us apart. Wish you all grand success in all your efforts. Stay safe, take care, thank you, and Jai Hind. In all your efforts, stay safe.
Rani ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning and a very warm welcome to each one of you for this wonderful valedictory session, because we are all truly enriched and we are also happy that we are going to learn more. That was the reassurance that Mr. Nasir Ali has given us, that this stage of learning is not going to cease and it's just going to go on in bountiful. We are really blessed to be here today at this valedictory session, a wonderful national online workshop on digital learning and on digital teaching and smart learning, well organized by Titus Second Teachers Training College and in association with MES's Pillai College of Education and Research. It was a dream for our institution that we could collaborate with such an esteemed institution across our state, moving beyond our state and reaching out to Kerala. Thank you so much, Dr. Mathai, to help us, because Anita ma'am, your support at that moment when we wished for a collaboration was indeed so much enriching that we could really take this journey ahead. This session, we have been connected in the cyberspace for the last 6 days, and has really made us learn, unlearn certain things, relearn something, and above all, increase or augment our knowledge and understanding about the various tools on e-content development, on Google Apps, uh, GoToMeeting, and many other things, virtual classrooms, and many other things that really kept us updated for the present situation. Today, we are in a period of lockdown, and this period of lockdown has not seized our opportunity to move further and learn. It has just made us strong, that we are strong enough to face the barriers that come across. But as a teacher, we always say that learning never ceases with a teacher. And hence, our interest, our motivation to learn has really led us through this wonderful session. My special and heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Nasser Ali, who has been a wonderful resource person all these 6 days. And his patience, his endurance, and his motivation to really reach out to every single participant and clarify their doubts and be available to them is something that is very unique in you, Nasser, at this point of time. And since I know you very well, I know that how much you care for your learning community. And I know that your charisma of reaching out to the unreached will really go miles and miles ahead. Thank you, Nasser, for being so resourceful to each one of us. Today, as we are here towards the end, and we are talking throughout our 6 days on smart learning, I would like to put my thoughts on the word smart in the form of a small mnemonic. Smart. So we all want to be smart, and we are all smart. That's the kind of belief that we should have. We are all smart. So when we are smart, how are we going to transpire this smartness to the world outside, or to touch the world outside? So smart can be defined as S, be socially connected. Socially connected does not only mean just a small kind of a social etiquette that you will follow. Socially connected is being connected to each one of us, or each one in your society at the time when they require. Probably that could be a call away, or that could be a video call, or that could be more to help them in the way that you can best do. So try and blend yourself in that phase of being socially connected, so that we build a very robust society for our future tomorrow. Because today we need that connect, and that's how we really can help many who are in this, who are suffering in this pandemic today, and otherwise also. You never know, the time that you reach might be the time that they need you the most. So, M, be mindful. Be mindful about yourself. Be mindful about the needs of others. I always believe that first you understand yourself before you understand others. Because unless until you have a healthy mind, you will not be able to heal anybody else. So be mindful about your thoughts. Be mindful about how well you can, your emotions, your belief, your needs, your aspirations. Be mindful about that. That's when you can really work towards being smart. A stands for being accommodative. Today is the need that we need to be accommodative to the changing demands. Our situation, our thoughts would have never thought, maybe 2 months back or 3 months back, we would have never thought we would be in a situation like this. But today we are accommodating. We are accommodating ourselves in our houses. We are accommodating ourselves with the challenges that we have. We are accommodating ourselves with the demands that our society asks us to do. So if you were to be very rigid, then this phase would have been very difficult. So be accommodative and be adaptive. You need to adopt to the recent things that are happening. So unless and until you are accommodative, you will not be able to adapt and to adopt new things. Then I go on to being resourceful.
a teacher or any person has to be extremely resourceful. You need to have so much of resources inbuilt in you. And you can be resourceful only if you think that you have an urge to learn. So unless you have an urge to learn, you will not be resourceful. So you need to learn, see things. As each day, when you keep posting your questions, your queries regarding, oh, I didn't understand this aspect, can you throw light more on this aspect? So Nasser Ali was trying to be helping you out, and you yourself were trying to help yourself. So that is being resourceful. You are trying to grab or gather all the resources and being updated. That's more important. Today, you have to be abreast with everything that is required. Today, you are a teacher, but you are a counselor, you are a facilitator, you are a guide. You're playing vibrant roles, and this needs you to be more resourceful every day. And last but not the least, the T. T stands for technologically updated. We have all been in this 6 days with digital tools and digital technology and digital teaching. I'm sure we are all technologically updated, at least to a certain extent. We may not be masters in technology, but today we are at least, we are efficient and proficient to manage few apps on the digital platform. And that's how you really charge yourself in becoming a smart teacher. So smartness lies in you. And I'm sure with this entire workshop that we were through all these 5 and today's 6th day, I'm sure we are walking out of this session only for this session, not from the groups. We are all walking out from this session as a smart teacher, technology upgraded teacher, and all the aspects of smartness that you really need to reveal to the world and to your entire learning community that yes, I am a smart teacher. I really feel that we have been having a wonderful session all this while, and it is my proud privilege to thank Titus Second Teacher Training College for their support. Special thanks to Dr. Anita Matai for the real vigor that you have inspired us to take up this collaboration. Also, I would like to thank Mahatma Education Society, who in its 50th year is across 48 institutions and 35,000 students annually, and more than 3,000 faculty have been embarking education, quality education in all aspects, and reaching milestones every year. And PCR Chembur, Pillai College of Education and Research Chembur, is in its 30th year, and we have been nurturing wonderful, vibrant, and humane and self-reliant teachers each day. And we are so happy that as a teacher, both teacher training institutes have collaborated on a common vision to really help the teachers, and which will transpire to the learning community in a bigger platform. I also like to thank Dr. Sunila and Dr. Suramya for their support, for being so well connected to the entire PCR faculty. The entire PCR faculty who have been really being so vigilant and so interactive throughout the process. Thank you so much. PCR Chembur was having a very, very tight packed schedule this week. We were on 6 webinars, hosting 6 webinars with University of Mumbai. We were hosting a webinar with MIT University, ADT University Pune, and we were also collaborating with Titus College. So our teachers have really taken out their best time and efforts to contribute to this webinar. Thank you so much. And above all, I'd like to thank God for helping us all, keeping us safe and protected and connected throughout this time, because His grace is on us, and that's why we all remain still safe and healthy. I like to thank our government officials, the frontline workers who are taking all efforts to keep us safe while we all are at home learning and improving our entire process of learning through. A big, big, big thank you and a round of applause to Nasser Ali. You have been a wonderful resource person, so enlightening, and it's really a privilege to hear you all the while and accommodate us so nicely. Thank you so much, Nasir Ali. It's been a wonderful session, and I'm sure we are going to learn and we are going to move ahead learning through the process very beautifully. Thank you so much. Over to you, Nasir.
Thank you. Thank you very much, ma'am. Now we are moving to the participants for getting the reflections from them. Limsey John. Limsey John. Devi Prasad.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, one and all.
Good morning.
Respected Anita ma'am, Principal, Second Title Teacher Training College. Our resource person, Nasir Ali sir, Rani ma'am, the coordinators of this program, Sunila ma'am and Suganya ma'am. As a reflection, myself, now I am using this occasion to thank you all for making such a wonderful day with a lot of useful information. Now, I said that the proper planning make this and one more thing, you must have in other questions. That's what I noticed. For each and every queries and questions through messages and through voices, try to answer all the questions, and all the questions are answered. Then it's a very useful thing, useful program that we all are very happy to participate in this 6-day online workshop. And I'm very, and on behalf of my institution, I'm very thankful to you for conducting such a fruitful event. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Dr. Kailash. Yes, sir. Dr. Kailash.
Yes, sir.
Sir, please continue.
Yes, sir. Is I'm audible?
Yes, yes, please continue.
Is I'm audible?
Please continue, sir.
Sir, it was a very great experience from my side. From Kerala state to Mumbai state, and you reach to whole nation and outside India too. And I'm not so much techno savvy, but from last this experience make me realize myself to be a more technological, updated myself and work on it. So I'm still practicing. I'm a new learner. A baby step I'm talking out, but I'm able to generate my curiosity to learn more. So thank you so much, sir, Nasir sir. You're our resource person, and hope this journey will continue for the years together to come. I have to much more to learn from your side. Thank you, sir.
Sure, thank you. Limsey John.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Can you hear, sir?
Yes.
Yes, it's great pleasure for me to present here in this last session of our workshop. Then I thank and congratulate both these colleges who participated and took initiation in this workshop. It's a great achievement for me, and it helped me a lot. Especially I thank Nasir Ali sir, who became a friend of mine in this computer world. Thank you, sir. Thank you once again from my wholehearted for your wholehearted support and clearing my doubts and all. I also thank my colleagues and students who participated through our WhatsApp group. Let me thank God and bless ourselves to share our knowledge in our classrooms and get more confident to take class and become smart teachers and smart teacher educators. Thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am. Dr. Garima.
Good morning to all. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, so myself, Dr. Garima, I'm an assistant professor in the School of Management. I'm at Unisena University, Dehradun. Okay. So, first of all, I would like to thank Titus II Teachers College as well as MS Pillai College of Education and Research for providing me a wonderful opportunity to share my learning experience about this workshop actually. Before I share my experience, I will myself take this opportunity to express my gratitude to the organizer of these workshops. So first, I would like to express my token of gratitude to the principal of Titus II Teachers College as well as MES Pillai College of Education and Research for taking this initiative and making it possible for us to learn a new skill set at the time of this global pandemic of COVID-19. It seems just yesterday than when we were all going to our schools and college and university, and then suddenly partial lockdown and then a nationwide lockdown was announced. So for this, I just want to bring up a well-said statement which was given by Nelson Mandela. He rightly said that education is the most powerful weapon which one can use to change the world. And as an educator, at the time of this global pandemic, we can really use our online education to carve the bright and shiny futures for the coming generation. And about Nasir Ali sir, it can't be a metaphor for me to say that our instructor, Dr. Nasir Ali sir, has taught us really, really well. He made us well versed in all various tools for delivering online education. I really like to extend my heartiest congratulations and gratitude to Nasir Ali sir for the successful organization of this particular workshop. Sir, you taught us really well. It was a great learning experience. I really appreciate and admire your style of delivery in this workshop. It was conducted very smoothly without the noise or the disturbance at the technical front. And this thing makes it very easy for us to understand and equip us with hand-on training, etc. So thank you so much for, and yeah, this was the thing. Thank you so much for listening all my queries patiently. I know I was the most bothering student in your class and resolving them also. Once again, thank you so much for all the valuable knowledge that you have shared with me and with all the participants. The workshop was very informative and was a great learning experience. Along with this, I would also like to thank and congratulate to the other organizers of this particular workshop, Dr. Sumaya Mathai ma'am and Sunila ma'am. And at last, I want to say that departures are always painful. So this workshop has actually become a part of my daily morning routine. So I really used to wait for the next morning to come and to join and to like interact and to learn everything. So yes, I'm going to miss, and I would like to say that I'm going to miss all the participants, the interaction, the learning experience. Okay, so for this, I would like to congratulate all the participants, and it was such a great and a lovely experience interacting with you. And okay, so with this now, goodbye and stay safe, stay at home and have a happy learning. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. And Mahalakshmi Shri. Mahalakshmi Shri. Ma'am, Mahalakshmi ma'am. Mahalakshmi ma'am. Jyoti, Jyoti, Jyoti.
Muted.
Yes,
Hello.
ma'am. Yes, please.
So first of all, I would like to thank you, sir, because I am the one who were asking every time the doubts, and you were clarifying all my doubts. I'm really happy for that. Next, I would like to thank the coordinators of Titus Teachers and MES Pillai College and both the principals for organizing this session. I learned a different dimension of teaching. I learned many technologies through which we can reach out to our students without any time limit and help them. The sessions were well planned and organized. I never felt that I am sitting for 2 or 3 hours continuously for the session after a long time in this profession. Thank you very much, sir, for your guidance and support. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, Dr. Lalita Prasad. Doctor.
Very good morning.
Good morning.
All of you. First of all, I want to share my views regarding your workshop. I extend sincere thanks to the Titus College of Education, Pillai College of Education, and other organizing team members and your resource person. Really, as being a faculty of BHU, I learned a lot. Still, I know thing, but you taught me some new things which I was practicing during this COVID-19, during this Google Classroom. Really, the workshop was worth learning to me. I learned a lot. So next, I extend my sincere thanks to you, Dr. Nasir Ali ji, and your organizing teams, organizers, Titus College of Education principals, and Pillai College of Principals for providing this platform to learning a lot for us, which we learned a lot. And this is very, very interactive, informative session for us. Thank you very much to you all, sir, and all the organizing members and organizers. Thank you very much. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Now, Vinita.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, since we did all your sessions, we started taking B.Ed and M.Ed class on Google Classroom. After taking your class, it is so beneficial and fruitful for me, especially for me, because your all the technical sessions and all the sessions are so good. Thank you, sir. I am very fruitful for me, especially for me, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you for putting what you have learned into practice. Thank you. Now, Dr. Pandey. Dr. Pandey. Dr. Pujar. Dr. Pujar.
Good morning,
hello,
sir.
this is Dr.
Good morning.
Rajesh Pandey.
Sir, please wait. Let Pujar sir come.
Sure.
Continue. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Thank you,
Sure,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir. I'm Dr. Kankappa Pujar, Assistant Professor in Department of Education, Rani Chennamma University, Karnataka. Sir, I am very much thankful to you for giving me an opportunity because my name was in late list. Means you had made two groups. That is one who are already enrolled and the one which were late. So I was in the late group. You gave me an opportunity to join for this present group. For that, I am very much thankful to you. Being a teacher educator, I know what are the consequences we are facing nowadays in our teaching learning, and how we have to face various problems or issues to produce future teachers. In this sense, the educational technology is very useful, as we know that NCF 2005 has implemented or forced on learner centric. So we as a teacher educators or teachers, we have to be learner centric. So In this context, we have to go to the student level. To go to the students level, we have to be updated ourselves, because we cannot only depend on chalk and talk method. Since we are having multiple process of teaching, we cannot only depend on teaching, we cannot only depend on textbooks, we cannot only depend on some other traditional methods. So in addition to our traditional classroom activities, we have to depend on these technological aids. So you have made this 1 week workshop very wonderful. Even though I am a teacher, I am using various technological aids. You made me open my eyes to use some more technological aids in our classrooms, and student friendly. Moreover, it is very student friendly, which you have taught us, like Google Docs. See, nowadays, due to pandemic, our students are complaining that, sir, we are unable to complete the assignments, we are unable to type the assignments. So I really enjoyed this Google Docs, because the students can easily write Google Docs with their smartphone only, instead of depending for a laptop or some other desktops and other things. So in this context, Google Doc, Google Classroom, synchronizing and sharing documents through the online only, and how to create online test and quiz. This is very, very important. So nowadays, even UGC has said that you have to conduct online test, online quizzes, or online examinations only. So in this context, this Google Form also has made us very useful. And creating and maintaining blogs. See, this is very important because we can easily connect with people throughout the nation, not only at the nation level, even at the outside. And AZ screen recorder, it is also very useful. I was using screen recorder, but the AZ screen recorder is very much useful than the one which I was using. So in this way, I have learned a lot of things in your 1 week workshop. I'm very much thankful to you. Now onwards, I am student of Professor Nasir Ali. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Now, Mahalakshmi ma'am, if you are available, you can speak. Next, Smita.
Hello.
Smita.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, please.
Am I audible?
Yes, please.
Okay. Good morning, all. I'm Dr. Smita from Calicut University Teacher Education Center, Wayanad, Kerala. I'm respected principal, Dr. Vedha Matai, Sunila ma'am, Karuna, and our resource person, Mr. Ali sir. Actually, I'm very fortunate to be a part of this online workshop organized by FS College and the University College. And this workshop greatly expanded my understanding about e-learning teaching, and it helps to get understanding how the different online platforms can be used, and it gave more deliberate way to help my students. And actually, it was an interesting program with clear and prophecy steps. It was very informative, and moreover, it was beautifully executed to bring together learning and practice. I look forward to finding out how to become more involved in working with online teaching platform during this long-term period. And I thank all the organizers, and especially Nasir Ali sir. You have been a wonderful resource person, and also thanks to all the co-learners. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Dr. Pandey Silva. Sumi.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Pandey sir. Pandey
Am
sir,
I audible,
please.
sir?
Yes.
Good morning to all. Thank you, sir, for this opportunity. I am really thankful to Titus II College and MES Pillai College, Mumbai. The sessions were really good, and especially me being not so techno savvy, could learn a few aspects that is going to help me out. Of course, if I end up practicing more. But then I must thank the resource person, Nasir Ali sir. You have been a fantastic coach. Thank you so much to all of you.
Thank you. Sumicheji.
Hello, Evam. Good morning to all. It's a great privilege to actually congratulate my junior student, my friend, Mr. Nasir Ali, to take this great opportunity. Actually, you did a wonderful job, and all the very best in your future endeavors. The way you are answering to our queries, the way you handled the subjects, the topics you selected, everything is very good, wonderful. Congrats, Nasir Ali. I also like to thank the group team members of Titus II Teacher Training College and MES Pillai College of Research and Education Mumbai for the great effort to coordinate this seminar in this time of great difficulty in our life. Once again, I congratulate you all and wish all success in your future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you, Chechi. Now, Shalini, Pujida.
Yes, sir.
Please.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Pujita from St. Joseph's College of Education, Mysore. So it was an really happiness for me when our principal, Dr. Priya Matthew, shared the link via WhatsApp so that. Hello?
Yes.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it was really a pleasure to join this online workshop because amidst this lockdown, we were totally lost without knowledge. We were feeling that our minds are rusted. So it is really an helpful session, and you were so patient enough to answer all our silly queries. And I know you might have felt that so many questions were so basic, but when you had given us the form to fill, you had given the option basic, intermediate, and well versed. And after attending this session, we felt that our knowledge was basic only, I guess, that education technology concepts. So thank you so much, sir, for this opportunity, and all the team members. Thank you.
Thank you. Shalini, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning all.
Good
Yes,
morning.
sir. It was very, firstly, thank you to Nasir Ali, sir. I'm not so technical person. I have no knowledge regarding to technicality of online teaching and after attending this workshop, I was very grateful to you, sir, especially. And specifically, I enhanced my knowledge regarding to online sources regarding to use as a tool in a teaching, and especially thanks to you, sir. Then after attended workshop, I used these kind of the online sources to my teaching. I'm always grateful to you, sir, especially. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Goodbye.
Now, Renuka.
Hello.
Renuka.
Yeah, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, please.
Yeah, good morning to everybody. I would like to thank Nasir Ali, sir, for this workshop. I'm from St. Joseph's PU College, Bangalore. And this workshop came at a time when we were really wondering how to go about our online classes because of the lockdown. And thank you, sir, for really equipping us with this technological knowledge. We have really gained confidence now. We can take our online classes and prepare ourselves. And thanks for your patience, especially. The true spirit of a teacher you have exhibited in this workshop. No questions are silly. Every single thing had to be clarified. And thanks to both the principals for organizing this workshop. Thank you once again.
Okay, thank you. Now, Amina Khatun.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please continue, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Actually, I want to share my own experience, what I get through this program. Actually, I strongly believe that every bad thing has a good side also, and this quarantine has give us such a wonderful experience through this online program, and I'm so thankful to the Anita Mathai ma'am and the principal of Teachers College and Rennie Francis, and special thanks goes to you. I belong to literature background, and I am so afraid to use techniques and online things, and I don't know how to use and you made me so confident. I'm so grateful to you, sir. We are asking so many questions continuously, and you are so patient. You are giving all this, and it was such an amazing experience for me. Yesterday, I told my son that I want to make my own blog, and he was staring at me. Ki, Mummy, you are going to do this? Yes, my beta. At this time, actually, this confidence you is given by you, sir. And definitely, ki, this time, maybe the blog was not so perfect, but I'm confident this time I'm going to make it perfect. I'm so thankful to you. It's a really nice experience. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Now, last not the least, Nilofer Khan,
Yes, sir.
please.
So, am I audible to you?
Yes, please.
And share my video?
Yes, please. Continue.
Yes, sure. Good morning. First of all, I would like to thank all the organizing team and a special thank to you, Mr. Nasir Ali, sir, that you given me chance. Still, I'm in the waiting list, and you make me efforts to take part in this, and it is very informative for me, especially in this pandemic period of COVID-19 and the as per UGC regards that online exams will be held. It is very helpful, and all the sessions were very informative. Uh, and the content was very selective during the period of this. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now we'll go to one more person, then we'll go to Nived. Nived.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Am
please.
I audible?
Yes, please, please.
Okay, sir. First of all, I like to thank you, Titus College and MS College, because they are organizing this course and workshop, right? And then Mr. Nasir Ali sir, without you, this is not possible. I know it well. And you are the backbone of this workshop, and you are very informative, and I'm so much thankful for you. And thank you for all the participants.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Now, serious. Okay, fine. Thank you very much, and I'm happy for your good words. And you know, more than that, what make me happy is the enthusiasm which our participants shown. Like every morning, and you know, in fact, these 6 days was restless for me. Even before and after the session, even till late night, 11 o'clock, I was getting messages, and I have tried to help by replying and addressing all your queries. And if I have missed someone, and sorry for that, it was not purposely done, and maybe I couldn't notice your queries or messages or calls. Okay, fine. Now, you know, I don't know how much skill or knowledge you have acquired from these sessions, but what I feel now is that I think at least if you had attended the sessions regularly, an element of confidence would have been definitely made on you. That is the thing which we need actually. If we have that confidence, we'll be able to test, experiment, and find out the best tools available or available online. So what we have discussed is very less comparing to the available tools, but we had tried to schedule the our sessions at least to give you a basic skills and knowledge. Then based on that, you will be able to further develop yourself or with the help of others by attending some webinars or workshop, etc. But if the basic things are not there, then you can't means we can't further develop even if you attend any number of workshops. So that is what some people were telling, that they have already attended some workshop and where all these were discussed, but they couldn't. They thought, okay, it is there and we cannot do all these things. It's something great thing. So now people are telling, okay, now we feel that was it so simple, so even we could try this before 3-4 years back. And I'm very much happy for your participation and timely submission of your assignments, etc. And you were practicing also, and personally many of you were communicating with what you have practiced after our sessions. And you know, this is not an end. to our meetings and learning sessions. We will continue again, and I would request the participants also, if you have anything to share with us, if you have something to share, then you please at least communicate that either to me or to the group admin, so that we will be arranging a session and we can invite others. So like that we can collaborate to proceed. Okay, continue our learning session. Thank you very much. I'm not speaking, I'm not taking much time, and you are eagerly waiting for the test and getting your certificate. And I would like to add that the test is not going to give you any negative impact. Rather, it would be a positive experience for you. And we had never made even assignment submission a compulsory thing. But if we have 230 plus active participants, about 180, 190, and sometimes it went to 220 also. People submitted some assignments. So that is the thing which has to be appreciated among all the teachers and prospective teachers. Thank you very much. Now we are moving to the final one. That is from the Sunila, the coordinator of the session, program. Sunila, ma'am?
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Dear friends, a warm good morning to each one of you. And now we have come to the close of this 1 week national level online workshop. And I'm sure that we as teachers have equipped ourselves to transact the curriculum to our students on a digital platform. Hats off to all the participants for being vibrant learners all these days, even in the midst of many household issues and lockdown problems. I feel that the workshop will become beneficial and fruitful to each one of us only if we start implementing what we have learned these days. May this workshop leave good memories to each one. With these words, let me enter into my duty of thanking each and everyone. At the very outset, I thank God Almighty for His abundant grace showered upon us on all these days for the smooth conduct of this workshop. Now, I take this opportunity to thank our dear principal, Dr. Anita Mathai, and the management of Titus II Teachers College for their consent and constant encouragement in the conduct of this workshop. I also remember with gratitude the management, principal, and team of our sister institution, MES Pillai College of Education and Research, for their wholehearted cooperation and support for this workshop. And a special thanks to Reni ma'am for her support, and especially for sharing the mantra of SMART, which she said, being socially committed, being mindful, accommodative, resourceful, and technologically updated. Thank you so much for sharing that. Now, our resource person, Nasir Ali sir. In fact, he is the brain behind this workshop. It was his confidence that motivated us to make this workshop a national one. His gentle way of dealing queries, patient listening, and strategic teaching have attracted all those who have participated. And in fact, your reflections and feedback have highlighted all these things. I know these words of gratitude is not sufficient to express our thankfulness. A big salute to you, Sir Nasir Ali sir, because you are the brain behind everything. Now, I'd like to place on record our dear participants. Actually, when we started off with this workshop, we never thought of making it national, but the constant queries from every part of India. Let me tell you, from north, east, west, and south, we got queries, and no doubt, dear delegates, you have been the most wonderful group of people that we have ever experienced. This group actually is a blend of students, teachers, teacher educators, head of the departments, and principals. Your enthusiasm in attending the workshop, your thought-provoking queries, and your spirit to learn have always made this workshop an interactive and interesting one. I take this opportunity to thank each one of you for making this workshop a grand success. Before I wind up, I wish to thank all my colleagues of Titus Teachers College for their timely suggestions and support given. I cannot forget my fellow coordinator, Dr. Surame Matai, who has been a constant support and encourager throughout this workshop. Now, as we part, let's remain connected. Let's not forget to break the chain by staying home safely and learn smartly for digital teaching. Thank you all and Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am. And let me take the privilege to call all our teaching fraternity who joined here as smart teachers. So here onwards, you would be becoming smart teachers. Thank you very much. And now in 5 minutes, I'll be sending you the link for the test. You take the test and wait for the e-certificate to come into your inbox. Sometimes it may be taking some time also. Okay. Thank you very much. We'll leave this session and go for the test.